Hey fishing enthusiasts, are you ready to take your fishing adventures to the next level? In today's video, we're diving into the 10 best fishing kayaks of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned angler looking for an upgrade or a beginner eager to start your kayak fishing adventures, we've got you covered. So grab your fishing gear and let's paddle through our expert picks that will make your next fishing trip unforgettable. Make sure to stay tuned until the end for some useful tips on how to choose the right kayak for your needs. Pelican Catch Mode 110 Premium Angler Fishing Kayak. Its innovative tunnel hull offers maximum stability, making it easy to get in and out. And the wide flat deck allows you to confidently stand while casting lines and reeling in fish. The Ergo Boost seating system is another highlight, featuring an adjustable design for better vision and comfort, plus a padded Evia seat, under-seat storage, and 3 flush mount rod holders. Safety is also a priority, with the kayak surpassing ABYC standards with polyethylene materials, offering extra flotation inside the hull and a 375-pound weight capacity. Despite its robust construction, the kayak is lightweight at just 63 pounds, making it easy to transport and load by yourself. Measuring 10 feet 8 inches, this kayak is easy to load on your own as you head to your favorite fishing spot. SEAFLO Fishing Kayak. It offers abundant tracks for additional gear and accessories, so you can fully customize your setup for every trip. It features a steering handle beside the seat, which can be used to control the rear rudder for easy navigation and precise directional control. Comfort is key, with a deluxe seat offering 2 adjustable positions and adjustable back and seat positions for personalized comfort. For fishing enthusiasts, the kayak comes equipped with 4 submerged fishing rod holders and front and rear storage hatches, making it easy to carry and access all your gear. Plus, its lightweight impulse pedal drive provides excellent forward and backward stability, allowing you to maneuver effortlessly while keeping your hands free from fishing. Real Yaks 9.5-foot Modular Propeller Drive Fishing Kayak. It can be quickly assembled by joining its 2 sealed sections in seconds, allowing you to get out on the water faster than anyone else. No need for wall racks, roof racks, or extra straps. Its propeller drive system, with a 10-to-1 ratio, delivers effortless paddling, helping you reach your favorite fishing spot quickly, and even escape tight areas with its reverse function. Weighing just 33 pounds per section, this ultralight kayak features side carry handles for easy transport. Storage is no issue, as the compact design allows it to fit in a cupboard or hatchback, making it perfect for apartment dwellers or those with limited space. Designed as an amazing fishing platform, its stable hull shape and wide 35-inch cockpit offer rock-solid standing stability, while the 3-track rails let you mount fishing rods and accessories with ease. 380-pound weight capacity makes it easy to store and transport. I'll switch inflatable hybrid kayak and paddleboard. It is an incredibly versatile 2-in-1 hybrid kayak and paddleboard for adventure seekers who desire flexibility in the water. This lightweight and stable inflatable board can support up to 425 pounds and easily converts from a stand-up paddleboard to a kayak in seconds, making it ideal for solo or tandem use. Its innovative Link Connect system, featuring rugged webbing loops and stainless steel G-hooks, allows for quick configuration and even the option to connect 2 boards. Crafted with AirTech Fusion Light construction, it is ultra-durable and 25% lighter than standard inflatables, weighing only 19 pounds when inflated. The full coverage, soft-brushed traction pad ensures comfort whether you're standing, kneeling, or even practicing yoga, and the included kayak seat and ergonomic footrest provide premium support for paddling. With dimensions of 11.6 by 35.5 by 6 inches, this hybrid kayak paddleboard offers incredible versatility, and it comes bundled with all the necessary accessories, including an adjustable paddle, hand pump, travel bag, and center fin. Featuring a soft-brushed and grippy surface, this nose-to-tail traction pad is ideal for standing, kneeling, yoga, pets, kids, and lounging on the deck. As a kayak, the seat and ergonomic footrest provide steady support and premium comfort. Real Yaks Rapido Modular Fin Drive Fishing Kayak. Its design allows you to seamlessly assemble the 2 sealed sections in seconds, eliminating the need for wall racks, roof racks, or trolleys, so you can head out to your favorite fishing spot faster. Featuring an effortless fin pedal drive system, this kayak is gentle on the knees and offers silent and obstacle-free movement, even in shallow waters or around stumps and docks. Weight is only 11 pounds, weight capacity is 400 pounds, and length is 10.8 feet, so there is a greater gear capacity than with a traditional prop. With each 36-pound section equipped with side carry handles, this ultralight kayak is easy to transport and store, even fitting in a cupboard or hatchback. Its stable W hull shape offers a secure platform for seated or standing fishing, and the spacious cockpit, complete with a secure storage hatch, ensures you're prepared for even the roughest conditions. Equipped with 2 track rails for mounting fishing rods and accessories, this kayak is an excellent choice for anglers looking for versatility, stability, and convenience on the water. BKC Brooklyn 11.5 Pro Single Kayak. This 11-foot and 8-inch angler kayak offers a height-adjustable seat that raises the rider by 2 inches, additional articulating rod holders that can double as outriggers, and a larger stern storage area for more gear. It also includes a tackle storage tray, side storage trays, a cup holder, and super grip handles for easy carrying. Designed for optimal fishing, the kayak features a fish finder cutout, 3 water-resistant storage areas, an open cargo area with a bungee tie-down system for larger gear, and 3 flush mount rod holders. Stability is key, with its 34.25-inch wide design, allowing for 3 people to sit on the top fishing kayak, and a foot-operated rudder system providing excellent control. Despite its 78-pound dry weight, it boasts an impressive 550-pound capacity, making it perfect for carrying all your essentials. The kayak comes with a 2-piece 86-inch aluminum paddle, a deluxe upright seat, a foot-powered rudder system, 4 handles, 3 hatches, 3 rod holders, 8 scupper plugs, 1 drain plug, and a bungee tie-down, all backed by a 5-year warranty on the hull and a 1-year warranty on parts from the Brooklyn Kayak Company. Perception Pescador Fishing Kayaks. It is a sit-on-top kayak that combines comfort, stability, and durability for an exceptional fishing experience. Designed with an ergonomic seating system, the Pescador ensures maximum comfort with thick, ventilated padding and an adjustable seat back that reclines forward or backward for personalized support. Its wide and sleek design strikes a perfect balance between stability and performance, allowing for easy paddling, fast turns, and straight tracking, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned kayakers. Engineered for safety, the Pescador features built-in buoyancy and a high weight capacity for extra stability, so you can relax and enjoy your time on the water. Made from high-density polyethylene with one-piece roto-molded construction, this kayak is built to last, offering superior UV, impact, and abrasion resistance, even in saltwater environments. With large front and rear storage areas, the Pescador provides plenty of space for all your fishing gear and personal items, making it a top choice for recreational anglers seeking a reliable and comfortable fishing kayak. Beyond MARINA Inflatable Drop Stitch Kayak. With its tri-chamber construction and drop stitch design, this kayak offers a robust and long-lasting solution that handles rough waterways without the worry of punctures. Perfect for solo adventurers or 2-person excursions, its 12.5-foot length and 352-pound capacity provide ample space for fishing, river trips, or casual kayaking. This kayak inflates in less than 5 minutes with the included dual-action hand pump, making it incredibly convenient to take from storage to the water quickly. Stability is top-notch, thanks to its drop-stitch bottom and side chambers, which deliver enhanced sturdiness and rigidity compared to standard inflatables. The complete set includes adjustable EVA padded seats, aluminum paddles, a footrest, and essential accessories like fins, a storage bag, and a repair kit. Lightweight and portable, the Pathfinder ensures ease of transport, while its high-pressure construction supports stable navigation in both calm and rough waters. It is more rigid than normal inflatable kayaks due to the high-pressure drop-stitch material. Driftsun Rover Inflatable Kayak. It is a 2-person inflatable kayak designed for adventurous paddlers. With a front and rear rocker profile, it offers superior maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating on calm waters and challenging rapids with ease. Capable of seating 2 adults with a maximum capacity of 600 pounds, this kayak inflates in just 6 minutes, ensuring quick setup and convenience. Included in the package are 2 adjustable EVA padded seats, aluminum kayak paddles, a double-action hand pump, a removable tracking fin, and a spacious travel backpack to carry all the equipment. Built with reinforced double-layered PVC and a high-pressure drop-stitch floor, the Driftsun Rover 220 is exceptionally sturdy and stable. It also features 8 self-bailing ports, tie-down points for gear, and a front-action camera mount, making it a great choice for thrill-seekers looking to document their adventures. With its lightweight 28 pounds and impressive durability, the Driftsun Rover 220 is perfect for tandem paddling on rivers, lakes, or rough waters. Real Yaks 9.5-foot modular fishing kayak. It is an innovative fishing kayak that combines effortless pedal drive with modular design and exceptional portability. The potent fin pedal drive system ensures smooth, silent movement even in shallow waters, near docks or stumps, all while being gentle on the knees. Weighing just 11 pounds and 380 pounds weight capacity, the pedal drive is lighter than traditional prop systems, allowing you to carry extra gear. This kayak is also modular, consisting of 2 sealed sections that can be assembled in seconds, eliminating the need for bulky racks or trolleys. Each ultralight 31-pound section has side carry handles for easy transport, making it ideal for those who value convenience and portability. Storage is a breeze. No need for a garage or truck, as the kayak can be stored in a small space and easily transported to your favorite fishing spots. With a stable W hull shape, the fishing platform is perfect for seated or standing action, offering a secure cockpit, a storage hatch, and 2 track rails for mounting rod holders and accessories. Whether you're targeting prime fishing locations or exploring new waters, this lightweight modular kayak ensures a comfortable and versatile angling experience. Thanks for sticking around till the end. I hope this rundown of the best fishing kayaks for 2025 helps you find the right kayak for your next water adventure. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe for more gear reviews. I'd love to hear your thoughts on which kayak caught your eye, or if there's one you'd recommend. Until next time, tight lines and happy paddling.